Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Like for example, I have written over here 12 and 8. What is the greatest number you can find that is divisible by both 12 and 18? So we'll write a number like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These all are divisible by 12, and below this all are divisible by 18. But we have to compare on both of them. Are they both are divisible by any common number, and it should be the max, okay, greatest common divisor. So we can see 6 is over here and 6 is also in over here. So see, 6 is the GCD of this number 12 and 18. So by this through this method, actually we need to understand why we use GCD. The first and the foremost and the main real reason is time complexity is very great in it. Like big O of log mean a comma b is time complexity. As you can see, I have write it. Like for example, if I give you 9,50,600, then let's think about it. If you want to find the GCD of that number, you have to run the loop till the lakhs. So it become quite, if it become a tedious job, to be honest. To reduce this, we use this method, okay. So as you can see, int GCD, int a, int b, I have already written the code so you can understand. Like for example, we pass the value a and b. I just compile the code, like execute. We write 48 and let's write 18, okay. So answer is 6. Why the answer is 6? We pass the a as a 48 here and b as a 18. So we'll pass the remainder. I have written over here also, you can see. We pass the remainder. The remainder become 12, okay. The b, we assign the b value to a, so a become b, and assign the b value the remainder which we get through here, okay. Then remainder we get 12, okay. So b become 12 and a become 18. Then again we'll perform this operation till b is not equal to 0, okay. So if we do this operation, remainder we get 6, okay. Then b becomes 6 and a become 12, and then again we'll take the remainder 12 mod 6 and we get remainder 0, okay. So through this remainder we assign the value b is equal to remainder 0, and at that point b this loop will end and we return 6, okay. As you can see, a value will be now 6. So a value is now 6, and we get the greatest common divisor. GCD of this two numbers is 6, okay. So that's how the logic works and the code works. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section.